Welcome back, my Anything Auto fans. So I wanted to give I have a service on my Tesla. I had a lot of things wrong with my car, a lot of problems, and I'm filming this out of Sinkwits because I actually went into this with all the hype of it. Everybody has said on Facebook and all the experiences that have been shared. I had a very negative going into this mindset of the Tesla service, not the mobile service. I've had really good luck with that, but this is actually going to a Tesla service center, and it's so far it's just blown me away with above and beyond. Again, I went into it as very negative because I've believed what everybody said, and I even made a post on like a YouTube, or I'm sorry, a Facebook page, and everybody was just like, I'm like, 'cause I need a loaner. Okay, I'm 2+ hours away, so I need a loaner. I can't have Uber driving me 4 hours there and back. And they said they were going to have my car for 2 days. So, Facebook tore me up pretty good. Why do you need a loaner for? Blah, blah, blah. When you spend that much money on the car, they're supposed to give you a loaner. I've had vehicles that literally picked up my car from my house on a flatbed and drove it out there, fixed it, detailed it inside out, and brought it back. Doesn't matter though. That's not that car. That's this car. So what we did was I set up everything through the mobile app. Very easy to do. And so I actually was in contact. You can come down here, and there's a little chat sign. You can actually talk to them, and I talked to him about the loaner. He's like, we don't give out loaners, and we went back and forth. And I was just like, look, I'm 2+ hours away. I can't stay in Chicago for 2 days waiting on my car. He's like, you know what? Let me see what I can do. It wasn't scheduled for. We were booked out at this repair facility. Oh, see, someone's opening my door right now. So they were at my repair facility for at least a month out. They were booking. So next thing you know, like within 2 weeks, I got a contact. They're like, hey, I have a loaner for you. Can you drop your car off tomorrow? I'm like, absolutely. So they'll go through and they'll hit a review. You'll have to review estimates. Now, if there's a charge on any of your problems and you're under warranty, just message them on that thing. They'll come up and they'll fix it. See how it says 0? I had a lot of problems. They had a recall. Sorry, I'm trying to get this as fast as possible. I wanted to make this a short video. I had a bad door rattle. It's been going on for a while. So they're gonna get that fixed. Tire pressure. I don't know, it's something they must do. My windshield wipers, which I'll show you everything on the car when I get it back, which if everything goes right, you would already see it on the video before this. But yeah, the wipers, get that fixed. Plastic clip, there's a trim piece underneath the car, underneath the driver and passenger side doors. Mine just kept falling. I pushed the clips back in the car and it would come right back out again. But you would hit approve estimates, and it'll say estimates approved, and then they'll continue the work. So what's really cool is when you pull into the service center and you stop your car, it automatically pops up on your mobile app in service. Your car already knows you're in a service center. It was awesome. And I thought I had to give them my key. No, they control your entire car from their computer once you drive through that bay doors. So also really cool. I got out, but unfortunately I couldn't use my app. So I had to use my key card to clean out my car. There was stuff that I needed for the next 2 days. Here shortly, I'll show you the car they put me in. They put me in a really nice Tesla Model S 85D. In my opinion, I would much prefer have my Tesla Model 3 long range, but again, those are my opinions. It was just cool that they had a car for me. That's what now I'm complaining about. But yeah, and then you can actually hit view repair progress. Oh, see, they already fixed. Well, they're missing one, so they fixed 3 out of 4. The 4th one was a recall. They must have did that and took that off here. So now the only thing left is the rattle and squeak in my door. But yeah, you can keep in constant contact. Now, they keep your car fully charged at all times, which is awesome, so that when you leave, you have a full charge. And the car that they give you was also really nice because all the electric's on them. You just plug it in and charge it up. So let's see how the repairs look. So I got the notification that my car is all done. They're keeping it fully charged for me. I guess we can click on service. Before it'll tell you to go through here and you can view the estimate, and it shows you the total cost, what it's going to cost, which is nothing. Sorry, it's a GoPro and that. I'm not fancy like the other YouTubers, and then it all of this down, and you actually click on this little invoice button right here, and it gives you the actual invoice on what they typed up and what they repaired, which was pretty cool. They found what was wrong with my bottom trim piece, and apparently instead of just replacing the clips, it shows they replaced the entire thing. So that was pretty cool. And the windshield wipers and nozzles and all that fun stuff, like I said, if this video works out, you'll be seeing that already. So time to go pick it up. It's no longer in service mode, so time to drive 2 hours and go grab it. So here's my loaner. They gave me a older Model S, a lot of problems with it, but it's a loaner. What do you expect? This wheel well keeps coming out smacking the tire, but it's free charging, which is great. Don't have to worry about any of that stuff, worrying about charge. And this thing charges incredibly slow. I think the highest we've got is like 60 kilowatts, or maybe it's like 70, but anyways, doesn't matter though. We got a ride home. I didn't have to sit there for 2 hours, so this was great. So like I said, I'm gonna piece this video together later and it'll make sense, but as far as right now, yeah, it's pretty nice. We got all this stuff, and it's, you know, didn't have to sit there or take Uber credits. So again, with all the complaints with Tesla service so far, I'm 3 for 3. I got to go there and check the repairs and make sure the repairs are good. But you know, if the repairs are good, then wow, I'm just blown away by their customer service, which everybody said that they don't have. But I don't know. I'll find out. Time to go to Chicago. Picked up the car. Everything is perfectly fixed. Went very smoothly. Just walked into the service center, dropped off the loaner. They said your car is plugged in and charged all the way up. You're ready to go. And that's it. Everything was already in my mobile app. So this windshield washer nozzles I was trying to explain probably earlier was just off flapping whenever the windshield wipers would go really fast. And then underneath here, you can't really see it, but there's a wire. It's for the hose, for the spray, and it would no longer stay inside the bracket that's underneath here. Not so much up here, because you can like lift it when you put it in service mode and you're able to raise it. It was down here where the base is, and you can't get in there. So got that fixed. Then I had a really bad door rattle. That's gone. And then underneath here, oh, sorry about the lighting, but this little plastic panel right here was hanging multiple different spots. I'd beat it back in. There's just these plastic clips holding them on, and then it would just go off again. Now, something really simple, which now when I turn on my turning signals, it's up there instead of down there. So now actually when I'm driving, I can see who's next to me, and it does the same for the other side. As far as the last repair, I'm not exactly sure. They said it was a recall, something about O-rings for the trunk. Like I said, I don't see anything up here that looks like new or anything. I mean, nothing. So I don't know what that was, but anyways, that's something they said they did. They said it was first thing they took care of. So, but like I said, I don't know. I don't see anything different. There was nothing wrong with my trunk. So anyways, that was my service experience. Had a great, worked with a guy named Kevin, and everything went very smooth.